voices on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fumble my words, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around I've been broken, glad you came, glad you came. I was lost till I fell in your eyes, had me wondering why I feel like home. I hold you close so you're by my side till the end of time before we go. Will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around I've been broken, glad you came, glad you came, glad you came, glad you came, glad you came. I'm glad you came.
Low maintenance, a sense of community, and easy living. Welcome to Antrim Glen. Located in the rolling hills of Flamborough, yet only 15 to 20 minutes from Cambridge and Waterdown, enjoy the scenic and peaceful country atmosphere without giving up amenities you are accustomed to. This Park Bridge community is a beautiful place to call home 12 months of the year. The community itself is an inviting place. The quiet streets are perfect for your daily walks and visiting with new friends. Right here in the community, you have access to a heated saltwater pool during the warmer months, but all year round, enjoy a host of organized activities in the main building. Whether it's your holiday baking, simply some quiet time reading in the library or sunroom, perhaps billiards, there is so much to do, and it's all just steps away. Antrim Glen, a quiet place and a safe place to call home. To learn more, contact Sarah Middleton and David Kivel from Royal LePage Crown Realty Services.